a kind of a helicopter hovering around, and we were not sure who was in the helicopter. Like, we were afraid probably they were even bandits. It hovered for some minutes. I'm not sure it was up to 30 minutes, no.
Some retired military officers, army officers are involved in it.
To say helicopter to come and go now. Yes. Who are these people? They're not of it detected.
The committee chairman of defense staff tell the defense I said so. That some retired military officers, army officers are involved in it. The day we can't tell the truth, this country cannot flourish. We can't change our, when it affects our people, we are at our best. We talk strong. Some other people appear to be above the law.
We can say now banditry is an industry in Zamfara State. Last month, we arrested a member of the State House of Assembly in banditry.
Those involved in this illegal mining, they use choppers. They procure arms. They give them arms. They use choppers to come and cut away the gold. And they take them out of this country and make billions of US dollars. And the federal government is not doing what it should be doing.
What in mining can ni odo yo yen nisin o ti le lodun meta o ti lo bi odun ba gbogbo abule ti bebe o le so pa wo mo pe won wa ndi won wa kan be nítorí pé majority balẹ̀ ní tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe oúnjẹ nìyẹn. Majority àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ìlú tí wọ́n ń kọ́ ọ̀kadà tí wọ́n bá di lithium sínú sakasaka tí wọ́n gbé sẹ́yìn ọ̀kadà rẹ̀ pé kọ́ lọ bá wọn já ní màyà tàbí kó já ní kìsí ó ti mọ̀ yí pé ìrìn tí ò tó ìrìn 30 minutes 12,000 wọ́n gbà lórí ẹ̀. Dédé àpò sìmẹ́ǹtì tí wọ́n bá gbé sẹ́yìn ọ̀kadà tí wọ́n bá calculate kì í sọ̀rọ̀ $2,000 ìyẹn tí wọ́n bá ta ní sọ́lẹ̀ tó bá depend load rẹ̀ sí truck ó di billions of dollars.
We are going to look into the terrorist helicopter that has been causing havoc in Nigeria, that has been operating in Nigeria. It started a very long time ago. People did not pay attention to it. In this video, if you can stay with me in the next 10-12 minutes, I'm going to expose the activities of these helicopters for you. Most of them I have published them before, just that people don't pay attention. And the same question people keep asking, who owns this helicopter? Who owns this helicopter? So, in this video, I'm going to just try my best to making sure you understand the activities of this terror helicopter that is aiding this terrorist, because if the owner of this helicopter is not captured, is not apprehended, is not brought to book, you see, this helicopter have like 40% of the terror network activities in Nigeria. It has been aiding terrorists. So let's start from the beginning. At the time, this helicopter was not hiding, it was everywhere in the north. So the Arewa Consultative Forum in the year 2021, May 11, the Arewa Consultative Forum calls for investigation into alleged arrest of helicopter supplying items to bandits. A helicopter was captured that is supplying, that was or is, because it's a present continuous something, that has been supplying weapons to terrorists. So they call for the investigation, and before you know, everything died. However, someone was accused of owning the helicopter, which was the former General Abdulsalami Abubakar. Though Abubakar came out to say, no, I am not the owner of this helicopter. So everything was just lied. No, they believe him. So let it be that he has denied that. He has denied that he is not the owner of the helicopter. Now, fast track to the year 2025. That was last year. When you look at this, I published a video December 1st, 2025. It is over. Jihadists use helicopter to kidnap school children. That was St. Mary Catholic School children in Niger State. So when these children were kidnapped, the information came because part of the way we gather intelligence is having people in different parts who can always tell the eyewitness story about what happened. So they told me that helicopter was seen when they were kidnapping the school children. When I published this video, so many people did not believe it at first. But the following day, AIT, Africa Independence Television, now send their journalists to go and visit the school. They send their journalists to go and visit the school to interview the school principal. Guess what? The school principal said that helicopter was up while they were kidnapping the children. The helicopter was monitoring the kidnapping. Take a listen. Stay with me. In this video, I'm going to show you occasions where these helicopters have operated, and we are still going to dig down who owns these helicopters. So stay with me in this video. Take a listen.
Both the principal, Felicia Agyang, and the head teacher, Blessing Amodu, narrated their ordeal.
We had bangings on our gates and the children wailing, crying, and we heard voices saying in Hausa, meaning that we should pack the children and get money. We were there until after maybe there about 4, we heard kind of a helicopter hovering around, and we were not sure who was in the helicopter. Like, we were afraid probably they were even bandits, but we didn't know, like. So it hovered for some minutes. I'm not sure it was up to 30 minutes, no. Just hovered around, and at a certain point we didn't hear it again. So that was how it was.
Both the principal, Felicia Agyang, and the head teacher, Blessing Amodu, narrated their ordeal.
We had bangings on our gates and the children wailing, crying, and we heard voices saying in Hausa, meaning that we should pack the children and get money. We were there until after maybe there about 4, we heard kind of a helicopter hovering around, and we were not sure who was in the helicopter. Like, we were afraid probably they were even bandits, but we didn't know, like. So it hovered for some minutes. I'm not sure it was up to 30 minutes, no. Just hovered around, and at a certain point we didn't hear it again. So that was how it was.
So far, no group has taken responsibility for the abduction.
The question remains, who owns this helicopter parabolating in the airspace of Nigeria? Stay with me, because I am going to somewhere. Now, in Ekpoma, Edo State, I was just on my own. I saw messages on WhatsApp. Okocha, helicopters are dropping people, and those people they are dropping are packing us. I said, wait a minute, what happened? Have you reported it to the police? They said, yes, that they reported it to the police, but they did not go to police station, that the police that were trying to stop protests, that they are telling them that, look at, these helicopters are dropping weapons. After the whole did and done, they could not get the helicopter number. You understand? You know, without helicopter number, you can't track helicopters or all those things. So, even the following day, while they were still protesting, they still made the same statement. Take a listen.
To say helicopter to come back home now. Yeah, go on. Who are these people? The man of the detected. The man of the detected come back home and make bring these people down. They should let us see them. Let them give us hope. If you go to the station now, all the equipment are already there. They are moving. No. After they kill somebody. No. After they kill somebody. That one
They were shouting, telling the police, helicopter is dropping people. Helicopter is dropping terrorists. Who owns this helicopter? Like, who owns this helicopter? See, if the owner of this helicopter could be exposed, could be brought to, they know him. They know him. Many of them know him. They know who owns this helicopter. Okay? If they can bring out who owns this helicopter in the official capacity, then we will share a 1 billion naira intelligence with the Ministry of Defense. Yes, I said so. We will share intelligence with the Ministry of Defense. But I don't think that there is any intelligence that we could share with them that they don't have. They know all these things. They have it. You understand? So this helicopter have been doing many things. The same report came from Kwara. The same report came from Enugu State in the issues of local government, where that was one where helicopter drops bandits and they massacred them. It was a massacre. Yeah. I still have the video. Like, this helicopter have been moving around in Nigeria. Then, the recent Oyo School adoption, this same helicopter was seen in the picture. This same helicopter was seen in the picture. Whether it brought goods for them or it brought everything for them, but we were told that this helicopter departed from there and went back to Kaduna, according to the tracking of the helicopter. that it went back to Kaduna State. Then, that was when we predicted that these people have been lifted to Kaduna State. So, this helicopter network, terrorizing people in Nigeria, they must expose who owns this helicopter. Now, let's go back to what Adams Oshomonde said. You know, Adams Oshomonde was so brave and he was so serious about exposing who owns this helicopter. In a Senate hearing about the issue of mining, Oshomonde said a former general owns this helicopter. That this helicopter is used by the terrorists. Like, what do you people want to understand? This helicopter is owned by a former general. Oshomonde even said he wrote the government about the activities of this terror helicopter, that is helping them to sell gold, carrying weapons. And they are using this weapon to commit terrorism in Nigeria. Listen to what Adams Oshomonde said.
Those involved in this illegal mining, they use choppers. They procure arms, they give them arms, they use choppers to come and cut away the gold, and they take them out of this country and make billions of US dollars. And the federal government is not doing what it should be doing. I took this letter to the former president when I was national chairman of APC. And I said, call the general to give you more brief. In fact, what is happening, or what subsequently happened in that part of the country, was exactly what the general told me was going to happen. Because these guys have been weaponized by the illegal big men who deploy them, secure territories, and the weapon is meant to protect the Chinese and other foreigners who they actually employ to carry out the mining. And on occasion, they use the same weapon to carry out banditry, kidnapping, and all of the terrible things that are going on. Chief of Committee Chairman of Defense Staff, tell the defense I said so. That some retired military officers, army officers are involved in it. The day we can't tell the truth, this country cannot flourish. We can't change our, when it affects our people, we are at our best. We talk strong. Some other people appear to be above the law. That is what is going on with solid mineral. It is not that we don't know where it is. We have a whole survey of where we have what across the length and breadth of Nigeria. We also know, everybody complaining about certain people from certain nationalities. How they got here, even as we are talking now, they are doing those illegal mining. And those guys are getting richer when Nigeria State is getting poorer. But we carry the consequences of banditry, kidnapping, and other thing, which these on illegal armed men, which they equip. Sir, who can afford to buy a chopper to land in an illegal mining site, cut away gold, return to Sediti, and then on the way to airport, bam, take them out of the country. Take them out of the country. This is happening.
Yorùbá ẹ máa múra ó súnmọ́ ó ń bọ̀ ẹ máa múra àmúra lọ́jọ́ wọlé wọ́n wà láti wọlé Yorùbá. Ẹni tí ò bá mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ kó lọ́ mọ̀ tí wọ́n bá ń pẹ́ ó ń bọ̀ ó ti wọlé Yorùbá. Ìran Yorùbá kì í ṣe pé mo fẹ́ dẹ́rù báráyé, mo fi Ọlọ́run tó ní mi búra mi ò dẹ́rù bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan. Wàhálà ló fẹ́ dé. Àwọn tí ò ní làákà wọ́n ń pẹ́ kí ni ebi nìkan ló wà kò tí ì tọ́jú àwọn ẹ̀yin onílàákà ìjà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ̀yin agbára ìjọba jà tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá tètè paná tó fẹ́ jò ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park tí iná yẹn bá lọ jò pẹ́rẹ́ ó pọ́sibù kó jẹ́ pé egungun orí èèyàn àti egungun gbáàyà èèyàn ni wọ́n fi koná tó fẹ́ jò ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá jà ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bára yín jà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn tá a bá ń tara wa jẹ lókun láti máa sọ pé ó tún kà àwọn àgbà kan lé gbogbo wa yìí náà ni wọ́n ti jásẹ́lé lórí àwọn gangan lágbà ẹ pè pàdé àgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ ń rí yẹn àwọn náà ti dàgbà bí baálé ilé wọn bá ń bẹ lé àwọn náà ni wọ́n fọ̀rọ̀ nílẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti wọ 50 upward 40 50 ẹ pera yín jọ ẹ má jẹ́ kílẹ̀ Yorùbá ò lànà bí apá kan ilẹ̀ Haúsá ti lànà ní tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ wo àwọn tí wọ́n wọ Zamfara àwọn náà yẹn wọ̀lú yòó rẹ́kọ̀dù àgbáyé ó pè wípé láàrin 2011 sí 2021 tí sọdún mélòó ọdún mẹ́wàá ọdún mọ́kàndínlógún ọdún mẹ́wàá wọ́n làwọn tí wọ́n ti pa ní Zamfara nìkan ẹ lọ wo lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì rẹ́kọ̀dù tó wà wọ́n ní wọ́n lé ní 10,000 láwọn tí wọ́n ti pa àwọn tí wọ́n wá displace tí wọ́n lé kúrò lábúlé wọn lé kúrò nílùú wọn àwọn tí wọ́n wá displace wọ́n ní wọ́n lé ní 2 million èèyàn àwọn abúlé ìlú tó ti dahoro wọ́n lọ fẹ́ tó 50 ẹ lọ internet ẹ lọ kà ẹ lọ google ẹ bó ṣe wá rí ní Zamfara bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí ní Borno níbi tó ti kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú gbó Sambisa wọ́n láwọn tí wọ́n pa látàrí wàhálà gbó Sambisa wọ́n ló lé ní 20,000 èèyàn lára wọn làwọn ọmọ Chibok girl 276 tí wọ́n kó ń jọ sí tí ẹ̀ ní ọmọ rí padà majority àwọn ọmọ yẹn ló mọ̀ bá ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn lọ àwọn tí wọ́n padà gan 80% wọn ló dé toyúntoyún wọ́n lọ lọ́mọ tí ò tí bàlágà tí ò tí jábàlé wọ́n dé wọn màdámù ni wọ́n bá dé màdámù Chibok girl ni wọ́n bá dé lọ́dún náà lọ ẹ wo àdánwò tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú yẹn bó ṣe wá yí lọ tó yí bọ̀ kò tí tún tán síbẹ̀ wọ́n tún wá ní títí dìsín ogun yẹn ò tí stop iye sójà tó ti bá wàhálà yẹn rìn àwọn iléeṣẹ́ ológun ló lè sọ fígọ̀ torí iléeṣẹ́ ológun gbìyànjú àwọn omi pọ̀jọ̀ ká lọ bó ṣe wá rí yẹn àwọn yìí kan náà wọ́n ti wá wọ Old Ọ̀yọ́ Empire àbí Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park tá a bá ṣọ́ra ti Old Ọ̀yọ́ yóò fẹ́ burú ju àti Zamfara àti Zambiza yóò fẹ́ burú ju méjèèjì lọ nítorí pé enabling environment ó ń bẹ fún wọn ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park orí Ọlọ́run sọ sí igbó Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park tàbá tí federal government ti bá maintain solid mineral tí ń bẹ ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park yóò lójú state tí ó lówó tó Ọ̀yọ́ state ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà nǹkan yẹn làwọn wá kiri nǹkan yẹn ni wọ́n ránjú mọ́ ní Zambiza wọ́n rí lithium díẹ̀ ni wọ́n fi jókòó kábẹ̀ kò tó nǹkan àwọn ìgbà tí ẹ dé Zamfara wọ́n rí gold wọ́n lé gbogbo àwọn ará abúlé yẹn dànù wọ́n take over wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wa gold chopper wá láti gbé wọ́n lòdù ẹ̀ sórí truck ń gbé lọ sí port láti gbé lọ lú òyìnbó àwọn òyìnbó ń kó bọ́n fún wọn wọ́n ń kó nǹkan ìjà fún wọn wọ́n ń kó $1 billion fún wọn tí wọ́n bá ń kidnap wọn fi ń cover ni àwọn tí wọ́n ń kidnap yẹn owó tí wọ́n rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kò tó nǹkan kan nínú owó tí wọ́n rí nínú nǹkan tí wọ́n wà nínú ilé àmọ́ wọ́n fi yẹn cover káwọn kan lè mọ́ kí ló jí ẹ wá wò tẹ́ ẹ bá wá kúrò ní Zamfara ẹ lọ sí Borno láti Borno wọ́n rí díẹ̀ ń bẹ àmọ́ gbà tí wọ́n dé Zamfara wọ́n rí gold 10% ti lithium tí wọ́n rí times 10 ni mo fẹ́ wí times 10 ni lithium tí wọ́n rí díẹ̀ ní Zamfara àti kínkínní ní Borno times 100 díẹ̀ ní bẹ ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park ẹ lọ wájú ìjọba náà ti mọ̀ federal government ti mọ̀ àmọ́ ìtètè múra ni ló fẹ́ dá wàhálà lẹ̀ báyìí lórí àjọ àgbáyé gíráàmù ẹyọ kan kílógíráàmù ẹyọ kan lithium tí ń bẹ ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park wọ́n tà ní $23.80 per kilogram $23.80 per kilogram ètò mi pé dédé àpò sìmẹ́ǹtì tí wọ́n bá gbé sẹ́yìn ọ̀kadà tí wọ́n bá calculate ẹ̀ kì í sọ̀rọ̀ $2,000 ìyẹn tí wọ́n bá kà ní sọ́lẹ̀ tó bá ìdí pé lóòtú ẹ̀ sí truck ó di billions of dollars eléyìí ni wọ́n ń kó níbẹ̀ kódà gold wọ́n ní tó ń bẹ lórí ilẹ̀ yẹn ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta tí ń bẹ ń bẹ wọ́n ń pè kan ní tantalite gene stone ní gbogbo àgbáyé wọ́n nílé tí ń bẹ ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ yẹn ló fà jù àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí ní bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí làwọn ọ̀gá ńlá ni wọ́n wá fún òní wọ́n wá jókòó tẹ̀ wọ́n ti máìnì nǹkan ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ yẹn nísìnyí ó ti lé lọ́dún mẹ́ta ó ti lọ bí ọdún márùn gbogbo abúlé tí ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ò lè sọ pé àwọn ò mọ̀ pé wọ́n wá ń jí wọ́n wá kan bẹ̀ nítorí pé majority baálẹ̀ ní tí wọ́n fi ń so oúnjẹ nìyẹn majority àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ìlú tí wọ́n ń gọ̀ kadà tí wọ́n bá di lithium sínú sakasaka tí wọ́n gbé sẹ́yìn ọ̀kadà rẹ̀ pé kọ́ lọ bá wọn já ní màyà tàbí kó já ní kìsí ó ti mọ̀ yí pé ìrìn tí ò tó ìrìn 30 minutes 12,000 wọ́n gbà lórí ẹ̀ àwọn yẹn náà ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn abúlé yẹn tí wọ́n bá lòdù oríṣiríṣi torí truck ò lè débẹ̀ ọ̀kadà náà fún wọn ń gbé majority eléyìí tó bá wet ní wọ́n ń lo chopper láti wá gbé ọ̀rọ̀ tí wàá tán síbẹ̀ lọ́jà àgbáyé wọ́n ní wọ́n ń ta lithium tó bá kún truck ńlá kan ó lè wọ́ ti $37 billion lọ́jà àgbáyé nǹkan yìí ló wá wà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ló wà ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park nínú gbogbo àwọn mineral resources tá a kà sílẹ̀ lithium ló value jù mẹ́ o lithium wọ́n ju petrol lọ by far ìlú tí a bá ti rí lithium kì í ṣẹgbẹ́ ìlú tó lépo nítorí pé kí ni lithium ni ó kàn yín petrol lithium òun ni à ń lò fún tẹ́ ń pè ní EV lithium òun ni wọ́n fi ń ṣe bátìrì gbogbo bátìrì rechargeable battery tí ò bá sí lithium kò lè sí ti jẹ́ rechargeable battery bákan náà lithium ní bẹ lára fóònù lithium ni wọ́n fi ṣe fóònù tá ń gbé kiri lithium ni wọ́n fi ṣe solar light lithium ni wọ́n fi ṣe electric car lithium ní bẹ lára aeroplane tí fi ń fò lithium yẹn ni wọ́n bẹ ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park ẹ wá ní wọn ní takú síbẹ̀ wọ́n tún wá lọ́kàn tó wá wà irú lithium tí ń bẹ ní Old Ọ̀yọ́ National Park ẹ lọ Google ẹ̀ wọ́n pè ní most significant lithium pegmatite most significant lithium pegmatite in Beni Odoyo ní gbogbo àgbáyé. Ó better ju oil àti gold lọ nígbà ọgọ́rùn. Òun ní bẹ́ẹ̀ kí wá ló dé táwọn ọ̀gá ńlá fi wá wọ Odoyo. Wọ́n rí Odoyo bí ibi tó tí wọ́n dá nǹkan bọ àwọn lójú láti gbọ́ ìpè káì. Irú bíbá yìí ń bẹ làwọn ń jẹ ìyà ní north. Kí ló dé tí wọ́n fi rò bẹ́ẹ̀? Kí ló dé tí wọ́n fi rí igbó Odoyo National Park as ibi tó better táwọn ò rí látijọ́ yìí tí wọ́n wá yà wò bẹ̀? Àkọ́kọ́ tó jẹ́ kí wọ́n rí bẹ́ẹ̀ advantages ni pé one, ibẹ̀ close sí Lagos airport. Tí wọ́n bá ń bẹ ní Zambiza, tí wọ́n bá lóòdù tàbí ní Zamfara, truck yóò lo ọ̀sẹ̀ kan tàbọ́jọ́ 5 kó tó dé port lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ níbi tí wọ́n ti kó sójú omi. Àmọ́ tó bá jẹ́ ní Odoyo ní ìrìn wákàtí 6 sí 8 láti Gbẹ́tì ó ti dédé bọ̀. Wọ́n kó díẹ̀ wọ́n lóòdù ẹ̀, àárín ìgboro náà ti ń lóòdù ẹ̀. Wọ́n ti kó dé bọ̀, ìyẹn àǹfààní àkọ́kọ́ closer to Lagos port. Àǹfààní ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì òun ni wípé ibi táwọn ń tán pè ní Odoyo National Park yìí àlàáfíà ń bẹ fáwọn ń bẹ, àwọn ò lọ́tà ní Zambiza àti ní Zamfara. Wàhálà sójà àtàwọn JTF ti pọ̀ jù. Àwọn ní Odoyo wọ́n ti bẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ń sìn, ó súnmọ́dún kan, ó súnmọ́dún méjì, bí ọba ti súnmọ́dún mẹ́ta, wọ́n ń gbàgbọ́rọ̀ wá ara oúnjẹ. Àwọn aráàlú wọn ò lè sọ pé àwọn ò mọ̀ páwọn kan bẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ tí wọ́n ra oúnjẹ lọ́wọ́ àwọn. Wọ́n lè sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, àwọn ni wọ́n ń ta oúnjẹ fún wọn torí pé wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé àwọn ọ̀gá ńlá ó padà dé. Wọ́n ti ń pa àwọn èèyàn nípa pípa ń bẹ ọjọ́ ti pẹ́ tẹ́nìkan ò mọ̀ tó ń kálukú wọn mọ́ra nítorí owó tí wọ́n rí ń bẹ̀. Number 3 nítorí advantage fún wọn, ó easy fún wọn láti gbé nǹkan sórí ọ̀kadà láti Odoyo tí ó dẹ̀ lọ́jà ní Ìgbẹ́tì tàbí ní Kìṣí níbi tí truck yóò ti lóòdù ẹ̀. Ìrìn wákàtí 6 ó ti dẹ́kọ̀, kò síwò ẹ̀ ní Zambiza, kò síwò ẹ̀ ní Zamfara. Wàhálà ni wọ́n fi gbé nǹkan kọjá bẹ̀. Àǹfààní ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin, wọ́n tún wá rí pé igbó Odoyo National Park ó líǹkì Benin Republic, ó líǹkì Kútọ́nù níbi tí òkun mi wà táwọn ti lè lóòdù. Táwọn bá gbéra kò lè tó wákàtí 6 táwọn fi bára wọn ní Benin Republic táwọn bá tọ inú igbó pẹ̀lú ọ̀kadà. Ìyẹn náà bẹ lára tí wọ́n fi rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ibi pàtàkì. Ìkarùn, wọ́n rí pé owó táwọn ọ̀nà láti gbé nǹkan yẹn ó máa kéré. Wọ́n tún wá rí pé lower cost of violence ní bẹ níbẹ̀. Ìkẹrin, wọ́n wá rí wípé ní Zambiza forest, majority Zambiza iye tó jẹ́ forest ń bẹ̀ tó nǹkan, àwọn desert ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ó easy láti máa ju bọ́ọ̀bù sáwọn láti orí plane tíjọba bá determine bẹ́ẹ̀ bíjọba ṣe ṣe kọjá ń bẹ̀. Àmọ́ ní Odoyo igbó tó pọ̀ rúrúrú ni wọ́n lè rí ti ń bẹ lábẹ́. Odoyo wá ní ó wá tóbi títóbi Odoyo tí mi bá ṣe mistake bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé máa padà rántí ẹ̀ 2.20 something kilometre 24 kilometre square meters tí mi bá ṣe mistake. Odoyo National Park ó ju ìlú Ìbàdàn lọ ní títóbi. Tá a bá yọ àwọn local government àrọ́kọ̀ kúrò ó tóbi ju gbogbo ìlú Ìbàdàn lọ níbi tó tóbi dé. Igbó wà ní gbogbo ẹ̀ tó bò rúrúrúrú, igi 100 ọdún bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́nìkan òkè, igi tó gan ti dára bá kábẹ̀ tí wọ́n lè tẹ́jì síbẹ̀. Àwọn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi káàpù níbẹ̀ níbẹ̀, oríṣiríṣi ìlú, oríṣiríṣi abúlé làwọn náà ti tẹ̀dó síbẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé sólà ni wọ́n ń lò tí wọ́n fi ń gbádùn ayé. Kódà àwọn náà ní alága wọn ní chairman láàrin ara wọn bẹ̀. Ní Nàìjíríà kan náà solid mineral kan tó ń bẹ̀ níbẹ̀, wọ́n pè yẹn ní wọ́n ní yẹn ní the Nigerian first gemstone òun náà scarce láyé, àmọ́ kò wọ́n tó lithium. Àmọ́ pé wọ́n àkọ́kọ́ ní Nàìjíríà ibẹ̀ yẹn náà ti kọ́kọ́ fura kó tó wà ń bẹ̀. Ẹ wo adúrú tíjọba Nàìjíríà dànù, àìmọye ewu ẹ̀ ní wọ́n ń bẹ káàkiri tíjọba Nàìjíríà ò rí o. Ìdí tí wọ́n fi fẹ́ láìkí ibẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n rí pé Zambiza forest ìjọba àgbáyé ti tàgẹ̀ ní global terror base. Gbogbo eléyìí ní àwọn àwò yìí pé ọ̀dà wọn ò rí bílíọ̀nù ń bẹ̀ agreed. Kí ló dé tí wọ́n àtàkì sùkú? Ìdí 5 ni wọ́n fi àtàkì sùkú. Àkọ́kọ́ reason wọ́n fi announce ní pé ọ̀gá ńlá ti débi o, ẹ má tẹ̀lé sí o. Ẹni wọ́n bá tẹ̀lé sí kó lọ béèrè Zamfara, kó lọ béèrè Zambiza o. Wọ́n fi announce arrival wọn. Ìdí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì tí wọ́n ṣe yẹn láti lè ní territorial control. Àwa la níbí. Ìdí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta láti lè kí àwọn àgbẹ̀ àtàwọn tó nílẹ̀ ládùúgbò bẹ̀ láti lé wọn dànù káwọn lè rí sí àwọn sí. Ìdí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin wọ́n fẹ́ send message síjọba pé gbogbo bí tá a ti ń jà tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ lè jà lórí plane, ìjà plane ò ṣe jà bí. Àtàwọn ìdí míì tó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Owó kíákíá, owó ẹ̀jẹ̀ ibẹ̀ làwọn ò ti rí. Ẹ wá bira wa léèrè why tó wá jẹ́ oríire square meter Odoyo ó jẹ́ 2.5 kilometre square. Ní títóbi rẹ̀ 2,500 kilometre square, 2,500 kilometre square ní títóbi ẹ̀. Wọ́n rí pé bí àwọn lè kọ́ sí ibẹ̀ lábẹ́. Mineral tó solid mineral tó di billion ní bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ́dà tó súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ wá dákun bọ́bá wá rí báyìí níta bá fẹ́ bàjẹ́ oníbíyànṣe ṣe ìran Yorùbá ẹ̀jẹ̀ àrònú. Tó tóbi ju gbogbo epo táwọn ọmọ Ìgbò tí wọ́n fi ń bùkà lọ níbẹ̀ ní Odoyo. kíjọba pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì wa kàn ti dé, kò ní bàjẹ́ nígbà tiyín, gómìnà wa kò ní bàjẹ́ nígbà tiyín, ẹ ti dé, ẹ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀, ẹ sọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ dolówó, ẹ sọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ dolọ́rọ̀, àbẹ́ ẹ kọ́kọ́ bá wa gbà wọn àtàwọn tíjà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, àfọlọ́run tó níyìn láfi bẹ̀yìn, àwọn ọmọ tí iná ò ní parẹ́, ẹ wá dáàbò gbogbo òlú yòókù, àtàrí àti gbogbo gómìnà, gbogbo ẹni ọba kú tẹ́ ẹ bá gbé ìgbésẹ̀, ẹ̀yin lọ́wọ́ bí lẹ́rìn, Áfíríkà ẹ dìde, rise to the challenge, Ọlọ́run ó dẹ̀ fún yín ṣe. Ìjọba Nàìjíríà ẹ dìde lóòótọ́, àmọ́ pẹ́ká tó dìde. Mo ti sọ ti pẹ́pẹ́ mẹ́ta nìṣòro Nàìjíríà, àìfura tádàwọ̀ fi dé, tádàwọ̀ bá dé àìtètè dìde, bádàwọ̀ bá tún lọ tàti tún gbàgbé, àní pípí àpékíwé ẹ̀mọ́ tún ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́. Kí wàá ní solution? Gbogbo ọmọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́, ẹ jẹ́ alálẹ́ra àdìjọba, ẹ jẹ́ àfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìjọba. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà, ẹ rálẹ́ra àdì bàbá Tinubu, ẹ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú bàbá Tinubu. Kọ́rọ̀ yẹn ọmọ dà gẹ́gẹ́ bí pilot aeroplane tí ẹ lóhun tí yó. Tẹni tó wá wà nù plane ń pé wèrè ní ṣe pilot yẹn dàwọ̀ ó sùn. Òun ní darí plane. Tẹ́ni tẹ́ bá ṣẹlẹ̀ gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n jọ ń lọ. Àfi ká tètè corporate, ká fọwọ́sowọ́ pẹ̀lú bàbá Buhari, ká fọwọ́sowọ́ pẹ̀lú gómìnà Ṣèyí Mákindé. Gbogbo state tó wá wà nítòsí, kó kálukú náà tètè prepare. Tábàkà arábákú ẹ máa sunkún fún kejì. Torí gbogbo bọ́dì arajọ yàrá wọn ni o. Níjọ́ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Zamfara, bí ọdún mẹ́rin mo ti ṣàìmọye wáàsí. Onílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ máa múra, ó súnmọ́, ó ń bọ̀, ẹ máa múra, àmúra lójú wọlé. Àwa tá a jára nù. Sẹ́ẹ̀rí gbogbo ìjà ìsìn tá ń jà yìí, tí ì bá ṣe pé èèyàn bá ya wèrè orí ẹ̀ burú, kí ló kàn yín pẹ̀lú ìjà ìsìn ni wọ́n fi ń bọ̀ wá lójú tí wọ́n fi ń wọ̀ wá láàrin. Part 2 wá sí, mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí kí ni connection ìjà ìsìn pẹ̀lú terrorism, why tí wọ́n ń di ilé Islam lórí tí ìjà ìsìn Mùsùlùmí, àìmọye Christian tí ń gbé bọ́ọ̀mù, àìmọye traditionalist tó ná bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ló fà á? Then kí ló dé táwa dójúlé ẹ̀yin àfa ẹlẹ́nu bíléèdì, ẹ̀yin àfa ẹ̀ pa, mò ń bọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ lápá kejì. Kí wàá ní result ẹ̀ tá a bá stop, mò ń bọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ lórí apá kejì. Ẹ dákun, bá a bá sọ́ra, kọ́rọ̀ wa mẹ́ta gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbọ̀nrín méjì tí ń bára wọn jà nínú gbọ́mọ lórí fídíò. Ibi tí wọ́n ti ń bára wọn jà, ìkẹta làwọn títí wọn ò gbọ́, ibẹ̀ kìnìún káwọn mọ́, àwọn méjèèjì ni kìnìún àti kòkò fi sóúnjẹ. Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn tẹ́ ń jà lélẹ́ lórí, kèfèrí lélẹ́yìí, mùsùlùmí lélẹ́yìí, ẹlẹ́bọ lélẹ́yìí, kírísítẹ́nì lélẹ́yìí, lẹ́wàjọ tara orí yín dàrú. Ọlọ́run tí ń rọ̀jò, ojú ẹyọ kan yín kọ́fà gbogbo wa, tọ́lọ̀ bá mọ̀ pé ọ̀tá òun làwọn kankan máa rọ̀jò bẹ̀, kí ni tiẹ̀ ti jẹ́ tó fẹ́ báyé jẹ́? Òrùn ẹyọ kan ń kọ́fà gbogbo wa, tọ́lọ̀ bá mọ̀ pé òun ètí wọn, kọ́mọ́ràn sí wọn, kí ló dá wa pọ̀ sígbà tó fẹ́ ká bára wa sọ̀tá? Ọlọ́run ní ká bára wa sọ̀tá, ááyà ojú ogun lẹ̀ ń kà nígbà rọ̀ ló fi dàbí ẹni wípé ẹ̀ ń sọ nǹkan ẹ̀ rí nǹkan wí. Ojú ogun lọ́lọ́ ń sọ àwọn ááyà ogun tọ́lọ́ ń sọ kalẹ̀ fànàbí lẹ́yìn fẹ́ ká máa lò nígbà tí ò sí ìjà, nítorí dá wàhálà lẹ́nu.